Hi everyone, today I will show you how to do this flower. It's 6 petal and 3 layer. So thank you for subscribing me. I use 4 pile yarn and crochet number 3. If you want a bigger flower, you can use 8 pile yarn. Do the magic ring. 12 single crochet in there, or 12x. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and slip stitch. Make the circle and 1 chain, 1 single crochet, 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, and single crochet, 1, 2, 3, and single crochet. We count like 1, 2, 3. You will get 6 in there. 1, 2, 3. Four, 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, and for 6, slip stitch on the chain. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and for the first petal in the hoop, single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet 3 times. 1, 2, and 3, and half double crochet and single crochet. You will get 1 petal. For the next petal, just single crochet in the hoop and half double crochet and double crochet 3 times. 1, 2, and 3, and half double crochet and single crochet. Yep, you do until here. You will get 6 petals in there. For the last petal, slip stitch in the chain 1 like that, and chain 1, turn back, and single crochet in here, and chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and single crochet here, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you will get 6. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For the last hoop, just slip stitch in here. My yarn not quite so working, so and chain one, turn around, single crochet in the hoop, and half double crochet, and double crochet 5 times. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and half double crochet and single crochet, 1 petal already. For the next one, single crochet, half double crochet. You will see we start with single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet. 2, 3, 4, 5, and we finish with half double crochet and single crochet, like that. For the last petal, if you want just only 2 layers, you can finish here. 2, 3, 4, 5, half double crochet and single crochet, and you can slip stitch here and finish if you want just only 2 layers, not 3. For 3 layers, 1 crochet, 1 chain, turn around and single crochet. We do chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. For the last petal, we start with single crochet and half double crochet and double crochet for 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. For 1 petal. For the next one, same, start with single crochet, half double crochet, and 7 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we will finish with half double crochet and single crochet. when you come until the last one, after you single crochet here, and we slip stitch here and finish. I hope you see clearly in this video. Yeah. It looks nice. I have use it like hair band and hair pin and hair clip for this side. Thank you very much for subscribe and following me. See you next video.